I have a friend who's really ugly. She wears glasses 3 inches thick.
Really?
She walks like an elephant on rampage. When I bump into her at recess, she smells really bad. I think it must be her BO or undigested food. But hey, that's so untrue. I'm just making fun of her. Now listen up, cause this is the truth. Her ass is so big, it could plug the Straits of Malacca. Her hair is so bad, she needs 10,000 shampoos. Oh boy! Bottom of the line is, she's just not your average popular girl.
No way!
She tries so hard to get the boys' attention, but fails terribly all the time. So, she pretends she's got this invisible boyfriend who's overseas all the time.
That's bull!
She talks about him all day, but we never get to see his face. She watches romantic movies like nobody's business, wishing she's got a life or two.
Poor thing!
She studied so hard, her grades are so good. She's just fat.
Teacher's pet!
She always does what they tell her and never break a single rule. And I get detention and everybody thinks I'm such a bad girl and that she's so sweet.
Aww.
This is my friend Penny, who's really a coward, with whom I'm really pally with, except when I tell the truth.
My friend Sarah thinks she is pretty, but she is shallow as hell. She sits in the canteen all day thinking the boys are all looking right at her. She thinks she'll be a beauty one of these days and win some national pageant.
Yeah, right!
But in reality, she's really ugly because I really do know her. Some days she's selfish, some days she's spiteful.
Which day?
It really depends on the time of the week. Some days she's friendly, some days she's nasty. But I think the truth is, she's just crazy. She can be quite a tiger. When she thinks you've wronged her, or when you need her, she's just not around.
Selfish!
It's always her agenda.
It's always her agenda.
It's nothing else at all. She's really sensitive when you offend her, so you better not step on her toes.
Ouch!
I said something wrong 6 months ago, and she's still not talking to me now.
Poor thing!
It must be her mother, it must be her father. Nobody can be that bad, really. Or so I thought. Did she have a bad childhood? Did her father beat her? Did her mother whack her? Or maybe she's just screwed up. But hey, the truth is she's just a wannabe.
Wannabe!
And hates it when she can't get what she wants. She sticks her fat ass in everybody's faces and creates imaginary enemies like me. Someday, I'm gonna tell her I don't need a friend like her. But now we're in school, so we need friends like her. So this is my friend Sarah, who's really petty and who is not my friend at all.
Oh, come on, who's your friend?
What's wrong with the two of you?
Mind your own business!
What's wrong with two of them
They always like that one, what? Girls.
Oh, so how this year?
I just can't wait to get out of this school. Get out of my house.
You sure not? Where can you go?
Hey, maybe join the army or something, you know?
Wow, you really heard brother say?
I don't hate them, I just don't want to live with them. What about you?
This year, sure fail Hey, what happened to the band
Danny has diabetes, so now you can't play anymore.
Okay, looks like it's going to be another shitty year.